get comfy, right?
Yeah, get like lean back, relax. It's a studio, you know?
Yeah, Mike, all right, get out of this. It's my turn now. Okay.
Tyler's back.
Okay,
You know where to go.
I know my spot.
Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Tiny Gig Builds. This week we got a nice marquee letter build for Tyler's upcoming wedding. Builds. We're in the Builds backyard. We got some nice weather here. Spring's finally coming upon us here.
We don't need to huddle in the shed with the Dynaglow pumping 50,000 BTUs at it.
Ty is engaged, believe it or not. We're sorry for you ladies out there who might have been scoping. Tyler wanted to throw together like a nice cool looking sign to have posted up at the wedding.
Yeah, so we decided let's make some marquee letters. I think love is kind of the classic wedding marquee letter thing. But
Yep. So
Mike, you need a drink?
I'm getting a drink right now.
We got 3 letters we fit on the first one. The second one, we're gonna get the last letter.
The O will be a battle. Builds.
Oh, all right.
We're like old men getting up. It's not that difficult, guys. You stick to a plan, you follow it, you execute. Just want to make sure everyone, when you're building, be safe with the power tools. We got the PPE here. A lot of shards can get in your eye.
Where's my beer?
It sound right, boys.
All right, Gig and I just finished staining this thing. Looks pretty good. I got the other letters behind me. So we tried 2 different bits to see what kind of the best output we got. It was a clear winner. We tried the Forstner bit. It worked really well. We did the spade bit. Oh my God, I think I almost broke my wrist with this thing. It was like contorted. Don't ever do this thing. Throw this right in the trash. Go to Home Depot, get a refund, never look back. So we got the Forstner bit. It works really well. We're gonna use this. I'm just a little worried that our battery is gonna keep dying. We'll have to take, breaks in between. So we might try out the drill press. Try it out, you know how it is.
It's down white, boy.
That was too easy. I mean, with the holes, we're gonna have flashing around the side to give it the kind of like 3D marquee look. Really not sure how we're gonna do this. I've seen a video with Evan and Caitlin where they kind of use a spackling knife to kind of make the bends here. Once we get the flashing around kind of everything as a dry fit, we're gonna come back with finishing nails, hammer them in, and then that'll be pretty much it. Then we can add the lights. And then at the end, it's just the builds from there.
Love letters came out great, guys. This was another build, another great.
God damn.
Yo, Mike, you're coming too far
Way
in.
too close. Way too close to the cue card.
Boom, and just like that, guys, these love letters came out great. I don't know how the heart came out so good, but it did.
Yeah, I know, really cool looking. I like the inspiration Gig had with the heart. Really made it pop. Gonna look great at the wedding. Next week,
we got another tech build coming at you guys. We know a lot of you love those. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram. We really appreciate the support. If you're not a sub yet, might as well sub.
Hit the sub. Hit the sub button.
Over at the Build Studio. Build!